Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all in this online class of biology. Students, we are discussing about the natural resources. Yes, and so far we have discussed about the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and we have started with the biogeochemical cycles, and we have discussed the water cycle as well as nitrogen cycle. In continuity, today we'll discuss about carbon cycle and oxygen cycle. Yes, again very important cycles. Carbon, you know that it is in the form of carbon dioxide used by the plants to prepare the glucose by the process of photosynthesis. From your junior classes you are doing this. So, you know the process of photosynthesis and they are using the carbon dioxide. So, carbon is being used. The glucose, it is used to provide energy and to convert into other organic compounds, right? When the animals eat the plants, it enters the body of animals. Same way like nitrogen, it happened. The leguminous plants eaten up by the animals, the nitrogen, the compounds of nitrogen then they will get transferred to the animals. Same way, carbon also, it get transferred to the animals. Now during respiration, energy and carbon dioxide they are produced. This is the second type by which carbon dioxide is produced. Now first one was using it, second is respiration, we are giving it to the atmosphere. Another process which adds on carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere is the combustion of fuels. These are all the points which you already know, right? I'm just briefing these out. How the carbon dioxide is entering and how the carbon dioxide is getting used from the atmosphere. The organic compound in plants and animals, they are also converted into carbonates, limestone, coal, petroleum, exoskeleton, the fossil fuels, right? These, in these also the carbon is there. Carbon is an essential component, you know that, and it is there in carbohydrates, fats, proteins. If you know the composition of these, carbon is there in all these molecules, right? Whether it is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, nucleic acids, they all have carbon in it, right? So this is the carbon cycle, very easy one, and this is a flow chart showing this. See, so carbon dioxide in the atmosphere getting added up by the combustion process. Now these by combustion of these petroleum, coal, limestone, these all, and then the organic compounds in plants, the carbonates in water, then the organic compounds in animals, they comes from the plants, then respiration is also adding up CO2 in atmosphere. This is how the cycle continues. Some of the things they are using the CO2 and some of the things they are adding the carbon dioxide, or we can say carbon in the atmosphere. Fine. Next is the oxygen cycle. Again, you have the previous knowledge, but still just a briefing. It is in the atmosphere and it is used up. It is very important. The essential gas, life gas. It is used for respiration, combustion, formation of oxides of elements. There are many uses, right? And how it is sent back to the atmosphere by the photosynthesis. That also you know. And again it is also there in the important molecules like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, right? So oxygen cycle, it's a very easy simple one. All these cycles are very easy, but these all are very important. So just keep them in your mind. Just keep the flowchart in your mind and you will be able to write in sentences, and it's a very good scoring topic. So that's it for today. Yes, one more thing that I would like to discuss is the greenhouse effect. Again, the previous knowledge, you know that the gases, the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs, they traps the heat radiated by the earth and they prevent the escape of heat from the earth. Because of that, the earth gets warmer. Now, because of these gases, the atmosphere, it causes increase in temperature. The earth starts heating up, and this is called the greenhouse effect. And what are the effects of greenhouse effect? It can cause, because of this heating, it can cause melting of polar ice, increase in sea levels, flooding of coastal areas. These all greenhouse effect, students, again you must have studied in 8th, right, or 7th. Ozone layer, again just a briefing, protecting us, the layer which is protecting us from UV rays of the sun, and you know that there is a hole now in this. So we have to reduce the level of pollution so that it can be, the hole will not increase, right? Because the hole is increased due to the compounds like CFC, which are caused due to pollution. So this is all with this chapter. All the topics were all previously studied. So I don't think there was something which is not understood, but still we'll discuss again in the live classes. Till that time, do complete your work and keep on reading, and yes, prepare for the PT ones. Thank you and have a great day.